Oh shit! Alright, exciting news. We got another lift. There's another lift right there. And that is going to be freaking awesome because it's the same as the bin pack that we have inside the shop. And now we just got to really, we're going to have to do a lot of work because where that one's sitting, that lift right there, if you can see that little conduit piece right up there, yeah, we need one of those ran on the other side, right over there. So, I've been told I need to build a wall, and I'm going to do it right over here. And I don't know how, but it's going to work, and I'm going to do it. What's up, Sam?
Just trying to walk on water.
Walk on water.
Not happening.
Alright. Look at this shit. What do you think about it? It's your first time seeing it.
I did this.
Fuck, I forgot. I was videoing you yesterday the whole time.
Yeah.
Man.
I think it looks like a lot of work.
Yeah?
A lot more to go.
He's going to have to cut through this weld right here.
That's fine.
He said he's going to cut right through there.
Yep.
That's a pretty weld.
Oh. It'll be covered in carbon fiber. Don't matter.
Carbon fiber? He ain't going to...
Yeah, you will.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I told everybody aluminum.
We'll talk them into it.
Alright. And same with the door panels?
You don't need no door panels.
You're right. We can take these doors off and put fiberglass ones on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fun day at the shop. We have to do a bunch of that, and we haven't done anything, and it's like 11 o'clock. It's because it's a fucking weekend, man. It's Thursday, but...
It's the weekend for us.
Coronavirus has that effect right now. Oh yeah, if Mountain Dew wants to sponsor us, that'd be cool. I'm joking. I mean, not really. That'd be really cool. Not gonna lie. I totally wrap the Elko in Mountain Dew color. That'd be pretty. That would be fucking awesome.
Mellow yellow. New car name. Mellow yellow.
That needs to stick.
Mellow yellow's out there hanging the wheels.
Yeah. So I need to get the Elko here because this thing's not pretty yet. Not painted. Wait until I just can't wait till it gets painted. Not gonna lie, like on camera, off camera.
No way we can fuck it up when it gets back.
I cannot wait.
Can't wait to fuck this paint all over.
And obviously these bolts and everything aren't gonna work, and it's just gonna break right when we're putting it in.
I decided that it's going to be easier to wait. Because once my wall's up, then we can drill all of our holes.
Hello.
How's the wall coming, Dakota?
Pretty good. I was just telling everybody about it.
For you?
Yep.
So,
All 5 people.
before you close off that end wall, that end cap, I need to insulate the inside there behind the
Go
steel
ahead,
beam.
bro. I ain't fucking with insulation. I hate
No,
that.
I'll do it.
Okay.
But once you're ready to cap it off.
Yeah. I'm just gonna run
So
upstairs.
let me know.
Grab the wood and come back down.
Get to it, yeah. Sweet.
Those fancy bullet screws that you can smack it. Blows up. Bolts here.
That would be awesome. Just give me a nail gun. This shit would be lickety split. Get done real quick. That is fine as wine. All right, first board's going up. Dude, we're building the fucking wall over here.
No, Sam's built the wall. We're just recording.
Using the lift on the first build, so we got to build this wall so we can put it in a second one.
Yeah, the lift is occupied over there, as you can tell,
by
The Mustang's on the jack stands right now. Block
It's not even
in
on
the
the
way
lift.
of the lift. So we're just gonna put in a new lift to,
Yeah.
you know, that way we have an available lift.
Yeah. Always. And forever.
So we got to build the wall so we can put the electrical in and do all that stuff. And I wanted to build the wall so I could put stuff on it anyways, mount stuff to it. Like all the stuff that's on there, probably put on that, or more
so
things also.
Plywood right there and slap it up there.
Mm-hmm.
And then put a workbench
We'll
up
run
front.
some outlets and stuff like that too, so. Yep.
Oh yeah, because we have to have that same little piece right there running into the lift. That way, you know, we can.
I will pipe it out of the wall. It's glue and insulation.
That is a weapon.
Here, give that to me. I need that.
All right, so right now Zane is going to be installing. Are you installing insulation right now?
No, Sam is actually.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, I'm not touching this itchy shit. No way.
Let's go try it.
Take the cotton candy. Toss that in there.
We'll get 2 small pieces for that.
Pack them in nice. Man, this is gonna be so nice though. Like once it's all done.
It's a little piece there, a little bit bigger piece there. Easy.
Oh yeah. All insulated and be easier to keep warm in the winter and a lot cooler in the summer. Hello everyone and welcome back. The rear hatch area right here got all cut out, and a little surprise for you, we're getting mini tubs. Yeah, it surprised me too when Zane told me. He's like, oh yeah, I think we'll do mini tubs. I'm like, oh shit, okay, I mean, yeah, well, I'm behind that. So get a little bit bigger tire in the back, but not too big. Still got to run small tires though. Got to make everybody all pissed off to get beat by a small tire. But other than that, it's all cut. So what is happening is more than likely carbon fiber sheet across, and then with that, then there's going to be the water to air back here too. And we also are doing the battery relocation back here, obviously, so we can have a little battery shut-off cable right here. Be perfect. Kind of like what Sam has on his car. Exactly what Sam has on his car. But we have to do a little bit more to the wall today. Not too much. Just running all the studs. Got to screw them all in up at the top. Make sure everything's straight and aligned right so it doesn't look stupid. But we have to do it all the way up there on that, but we also have to do it all the way around too up there. So we're gonna have to we're thinking about it like a closed-in office kind of deal upstairs, and put like a door right there, catwalk, all the fancy shit.
So we got a circuit here. This is 12-2 Romex, good for 20 amps. So, you know, this breaker right here, it's a 20 amp breaker. There we go. 20 amp breaker there. That will land on one of those in this spot. And then I will have a 2-pole breaker like so. Oh, where is it at? Probably like this one, but 20 amps for the lift. So I will run, instead of the hot going here and the neutral going here, essentially what you do for the 2-pole is you run the hot here and the neutral here. Oh, for these two, right there. Right there. But, anyways, that just runs over here, through these holes, boom.
I drew out the other holes too, so we got that, so you run the rest of the Romex.
And then goes back over there, all the way through. And then we're gonna punch out right there. And then put our outlets probably somewhere in here.
Yeah.
Go all over. This is kind of just the graffiti wall for now. It says Ford sucks. I wonder who wrote that.
Not me, dude.
It was you, Dakota.
No.
And then our smiley face guy. Why'd you do that, Dakota?
I think I would have been a lot more artistic than this.
Really? We're probably gonna run the lift circuit really high up to the top, punch out with some conduit just like the other side is. You'll see it when it's all done up. Just right there, kind of at the top. And then run over to our lift, probably center it on this line. Even though the other one is over that far, we'll center this one here. So that way you can fit like a car behind here. And then eventually move this lift back to center here. So
Well,
then
you got 2 in the air, 2 on the ground.
yeah.
And it'll save us a lot more
It'll
space.
just look a lot better in here. It'll be some work, but it'll be some content for you guys, and we'll show you how to do everything.